Hey, I'm Tamatha Lene, indie artist, songwriter, and a new mom. And on this channel, it's all things music and all things mommyhood. So tune in on Wednesdays for mommyhood videos, health hacks, and then on Fridays, it's all things music, songwriting tips, industry insider interviews. So if either of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing. And if they both do, then boom, double the fun. Okay, now let's dive right into today's video. Streaming placements, which is, we think of that as TV, but it's not necessarily network television. It is streaming. So Hulu, Amazon, Netflix. There's so many different shows that are Amazon originals, Netflix originals. Those different shows, they all also need music. They'll pay you a licensing fee for your song. Generally, it's non-exclusive, and that's a great way to make money from your music because there are so many different shows now. It just opens the pot. It makes the pot a lot bigger now that there are streaming services and television. Back when it was just network television, like in the 80s and the 90s and things like that, it was much more competitive to get your music placed. But now there's a lot more room for indie artists like myself. And if you're an indie artist, there's a lot more room for our music to be placed because of streaming services like Netflix and like Amazon and like Hulu that have all of these original TV shows and also original films where they need music. They need theme songs for the opening credits and for the ending credits and things like that. So it's really opened up the spectrum. It's just completely open compared to what it used to be back when it was just network television and major film releases through Warner Brothers that were going straight to the theater. Now there's a lot more room for indie artists to have their songs placed. There's a lot more opportunities. So definitely streaming services is a great way to make money from your songwriting.